The entire goal with rack chins is to go through a full range of motion to get the maximum benefits to building a stronger back. This will also assist you significantly if your goal is to do more pull-ups. The best benefit to doing rack chins is due to the nature of the exercise itself. It mimics a pull-up while allowing you to use a greater range of motion than most people can do on a regular pull-up. This will help strengthen the muscles through the range of motion that most people skip out on while performing pull-ups. This will make your upper back, lats, and pull-up strength itself shoot through the roof. For rack chins specifically, I recommend pausing at the top to increase the time spent in the hardest portion of the lift, which is that top range of the pull-up that everyone has trouble with. Then, make sure to get a full stretch all the way down to the bottom. The last thing I would recommend is to actually switch. Oh, there's a dog in the backyard. I'm recording this video right now and the neighbor's dog is yelling at me. Puppy! Do you see his tail? He's just chilling. What's up, dude? Oh, I see his tail. Do you see his tail right there? He's right there. Hi buddy, I wish I could pet you. The last thing I would recommend is to actually switch up the grips you're doing to train different muscles in the back. Just like I would recommend the same for pull-up variations. If you use an overhand grip, you can work more of the upper back and rhomboids, a neutral grip will work the lats much more, and doing a chin grip will give you an extra emphasis on the biceps. Try this out and let me know in the comments below if this allows you to do more pull-ups, chin-ups, and build a bigger and stronger back. I have a feeling you'll like the results. The main way that I recommend to set this up is in a Smith machine. If you don't have access to one, setting up a barbell in the rack is a good idea to do that. So it's kind of why they call it a rack chin. So you can do it with the barbell in the rack, or you can also use TRX straps. And if you're just starting out with this movement and you're not strong enough to do it properly, start out with some basic inverted rows. That's probably the #1 way that I recommend beginners especially work on their back strength. Then as you get stronger, you can slowly lower it, work on the rack chins. And with the rack chins, you can start as I show you guys right now with my feet on the ground. You're able to work through that full range of motion a lot more effectively than if you're just trying to do some pull-ups and you don't have the strength to do them through the full range of motion. As you get stronger, you can move your feet up, and this is actually going to make it a lot harder than having your feet right in front of you. It's going to increase the lever arm and make the exercise much more difficult. So try it out. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if this actually helps you guys with getting stronger with your pull-ups. Use the full range of motion, get that full stretch at the bottom, and pause at the top. So that way you're getting the benefits of the entire range of motion, and you're not just slacking at that top portion that a lot of people have issues with when they're trying to do pull-ups. That's it for this one, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Dante. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to see how to get stronger and build more muscle, start now by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.